A child should heal, not die. Hi, this is Dr. Smita, and today we are going to be discussing the core topics of cough syrup tragedy happening in our country these days. Sadly, 12 children have reportedly died after consuming this pediatric cough syrup. In the states of Madhya Pradesh and Rajasthan, the state governments have already banned these batches of cough syrup, and investigation has been already started. Now, in a recent advisory, Union Health Ministry has advised that cough syrup and cold medication should not be prescribed below the age of 2 years. What is the main component of these cough syrups? Main component of these cough syrup is none other than dextromethorphan. Dextromethorphan is a common over-the-counter cough suppressant whose side effects may include drowsiness, nausea, vomiting, diarrhea, agitation, and even mental confusion. It is generally not recommended in very young children. Let's talk about the history. Is it a new drug? No, it is not. As stated on NCBI's official website, dextromethorphan received its FDA approval in the year of 1958 as a cough suppressant. Dextromethorphan is one of the most common compounds found in antitussives for the past 50 years. FDA in 2007 revealed that there were many reports of harm and even death in children who use these products. During the year of 2004 and 2005, an estimate of 1,519 children less than age of 2 years were treated in the US Emergency Department for the adverse events, including overdoses associated with cough and cold medications. The FDA then removed the infant formulations of dextromethorphan products from the market due to lack of efficacy and potential harm, and now requires a cough and cold products containing dextromethorphan to be labeled with the warning for children under 4 years of age. Is dextromethorphan banned in India? No, dextromethorphan is not banned in India, but certain combinations with dextromethorphan has been recently banned by the government in the year 2023. One more point which we need to understand is OTCs. OTCs are over the counter drugs which do not need any doctor's prescription. Please make sure that these drugs should not be given to children because the chances of overdosing is very high in children and certain population. As for the matter of this case, it is already under investigation and we'll hopefully get to know more about it. There is one question that we all ask from ourselves before blaming anyone. Is this a case of doctor's negligence or a case of drug counterfeit and drug safety? I recently reposted one of the stories of a senior doctor, which I know, and he said, which I quote, "This happens only in India. Death due to counterfeit medicine, blame the doctor." I would also want to share something that Dr. Neha Taneja ma'am recently said in her reel, that is it a doctor's responsibility now to taste the medication before prescribing it? Does that make sense to you? Please speak, share, and safeguard our children, whether you are a parent, a caregiver, or a health worker. We all need to come together and ask right questions at the right places.